Good morning, children. We can continue lesson 5, part 3. Today's topic is Mendeleev's periodic table. Even after the rejection of Newland's law of octaves, many scientists continue to search for a pattern that correlated the properties of elements with their atomic masses. The main credit for classifying elements goes to Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. He was born at Siberia. He was the most important contributor to the early development of a periodic table. His periodic table based totally on increasing atomic mass. Mendeleev examined the relationship between the atomic masses of elements and their physical and chemical properties. He arranged 63 known elements in his periodic table. He took 63 cards and on each card he wrote down the properties of one element. He sorted out the elements with similar properties and pinned the cards together on a wall. He observed that most of the elements got a place in a periodic table and were arranged in the order of their increasing atomic masses. Mendeleev's periodic table contains vertical columns called groups and horizontal rows called periods, and it shows regular gradation. This is his periodic table, and Mendeleev formulated a periodic law which states that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Now let us discuss his achievements. The sequence of elements were inverted at few instances so that elements with similar properties could be grouped together. That was his first achievement. Second one, he left some gaps and predicted the existence of some elements that had not been discovered at that time and named them by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral eka to the name of preceding element in the same group. For example, eka boron, eka aluminium, eka silicon, and elements discovered later, eka boron, that is scandium, and eka aluminium, that is gallium, and eka silicon, that is germanium. These scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later have properties similar to eka boron, eka aluminium and eka silicon respectively. Now we can discuss third one. Elements and its properties predicted by Mendeleev was later found to be correct when those elements were discovered. For example, the properties of eka aluminium predicted by Mendeleev and those of the element, that is gallium, which was discovered later and replaced eka aluminium, are listed as this table. That means atomic mass of eka aluminium, that is 68, and the atomic mass of gallium, which discovered later, and its atomic mass 69.3. The same way formula of oxide is Ga2O3 and formula of chloride is GaCl3. Let us discuss next point. When inert gases were discovered, they were placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. For example, helium, neon, argon, these are inert gases were discovered very late because they are very inert and present in extremely low concentrations in our atmosphere. When these gases were discovered, they could be placed in a new group without disturbing existing order. Now let us discuss limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. The first one, he cannot give a fixed position to hydrogen. That is, no fixed position can be given to hydrogen in periodic table because electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. On the other hand, just like halogens, hydrogen also exists as diatomic molecules and it combines with metals and nonmetals to form covalent compounds. Hydrogen shows similar properties with alkali metals and halogens also. So he cannot give a fixed position for hydrogen in his periodic table. And the second one, isotopes posed a challenge. Isotopes were discovered long after Mendeleev had proposed his periodic classification of elements. Another problem was that the atomic masses do not increase in a regular manner in going from one element to the next. So it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between two elements, especially when we consider the heavier elements. Thank you, my dear children.